Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Fraps for free. So first you want to go to the link in the description and just download this file. You got to have WinRAR for this. So yeah, open up Fraps full version and then this one. Then it will say like install it and stuff, but I'm not gonna do that because that will make me stop recording. And then when you will get this file, you will double click this and it will install Fraps for you. So that's pretty much it. It's very easy, and comment, subscribe, like, and hopefully I see you next time. Bye.